Tag questions are short questions added to the end of statements to check information or get agreement. They make conversations more natural and engaging. When the main statement is positive, the tag question is negative, and when the main statement is negative, the tag question is positive. When you have a positive statement, add a negative tag question. Look at these examples. You like coffee, do not you? She is a teacher, is not she? They were late, were not they? He can swim, cannot he? Notice how the tag uses the same helping verb but negative. When the main statement is negative, the tag question becomes positive. Here are the examples. You do not like coffee, do you? She is not a teacher, is she? They were not late, were they? He cannot swim, can he? The tag always reverses the positive or negative form. Modal verbs like will, should, would, and must follow the same pattern in tag questions. You will come tomorrow, will not you? She should call him, should not she? They would help us, would not they? He must leave now, must not he? Always reverse positive to negative or negative to positive. Present perfect tense uses have or has in the tag question. You have finished your work, have not you? She has been to Paris, has not she? They have not seen this movie, have they? He has called you, has not he? Match the helping verb have or has from the statement. There is a special rule for I am statements. Use are not I in the tag question, not I am late, are not I am right, are not I. This is the only correct form in standard English. Never say am not I or am not. Commands and suggestions use special tag questions. For regular commands use will you. Open the door, will you? Close the window, will you? For let's suggestions use shall we. Let's go to the park, shall we? Let's have dinner, shall we? Practice these tag question patterns every day. Use them in real conversations to sound more natural. The more you practice, the easier they become. Keep speaking English and using tag questions confidently.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.